And so, in a way that I don't know of with too many other things out there around the planet that people have tried, bless you, yoga puts you in that state of physiological, psychological, energy balance so that repairing can happen in a very real way. I mean, your story of your husband is not unusual. And yet if you went to a doctor, they would say, no, you'll never get better. Or it will take forever for those nerve endings to reconnect, or that muscle in the back of your leg will never function normally. You certainly won't run another marathon. And the body just seems to, and we could go into the physiology of the body at its deepest levels. Maybe one of these days we'll spend a day talking about us at the very, very deepest levels, because we think we're this physical. But if you go down deep enough, what do you find? What?
Yourself.
What about below that? Deeper than that? And what's below that?
Electrons and neutrons and the nucleus.
And below that?
Your spirit.
It's empty space and energy. They say that you and I are 99%, and this is physiologically, this is the biologists, this is people who study this, not the metaphysical people or the the energy kind of people, but they say that you are 99% empty space, quite like how it is out there in the universe, where you have an occasional planet or an occasional sun and tons of empty space. That's how it is with us. Deep down, we're not physical. Even though it appears that we're physical. But we're playing, we have a physical body, but we're way, way more of a spiritual being. We're way more of an energy being. We just can't measure it, so we just write it off. There's nothing to measure chakras or meridians or energy. But they know for sure that deep down at the deepest level of you, it's just empty space and energy. And so, the you that you appear to be right now, there's not a single cell that was you a year ago, except for maybe your teeth. I talked to my dentist about this, and he said, no, the teeth, they're pretty. But every other cell in your body wasn't there a year ago. Your liver changes within weeks, your stomach within weeks, your mouth within days. You're constantly changing. And so what happens, I think, with yoga, what happens with meditation is we allow ourselves to tap into, maybe I can get better instead of just stay the same. And that's been my experience. And those who have really kind of grabbed onto this and said, what happens if we just keep being active and do yoga and meditate? And eat well. And we find that, this is one of those things that if we did every day for the rest of our lives, we would see amazing things.